Good morning, students. We have completed the novel The Vendor of Sweets by R.K. Narayan. And now, as we have studied, that Jagan is the most important character of the play and of the novel. And we'll study a bit about Jagan's character, the various facets of his character. And he's a very interesting character. He's a lot of contradictions also that are there. He's very human and very vulnerable also, but he's a man of principles. So we'll study the various facets of Jagan's character. First is Jagan's love for his son. Jagan is the hero of the novel, The Vendor of Sweets. The title of the novel is after him. He is a doting father. He has excessive love for his erring son Mali. He pampers him and thus spoils him. While Jagan almost adores Mali, Mali insults him. He has a maternal obsession for his feeding. He wants Mali to go safely by steamer and not by air. He is overjoyed when he gets blue air mail letters from Mali. He is proud of his good-for-nothing son. A complex character. He is the complex hero of the novel. He is Gandhian and a lover of the Gita, but does not pay his taxes honestly. He loves money but says that money is an evil. He is a successful vendor of sweets who counts with glee his earnings of the day. Whatever money he gets after 6 o'clock, he keeps it apart with no reference to any tax. As a boy, he was a glutton, but later on, he lives a very simple and frugal life. He spins yarn for his clothes, his food is sugar free and salt free. He does not take rice. He falls in love with Ambika when he goes to see her, then he is passionately in love with her. He is a freedom fighter who believes in nature cure. He has written a book on nature cure yet to be published. He is an admirer of Margosa, uses neem twig as a brush for his teeth. His motto is conquer taste and you will have conquered the self. Jagan is an affluent vendor of sweets, but he is money-minded. As a reaction to Mali's demand for money, he lowers the price of sweets. He believes in Hindu way of life. When he learns that Mali and Grace are living a man and wife without being married, he feels that his house has been tainted. Somehow he has pure affection for Grace and is willing to purchase a ticket for her if she chooses to return to America. Jagan is a nationalist and a social reformer. He is a lover of nature and decides to escape the retreat. He renounces the world but does not forget to take the bank checkbook with him. We love Jagan in spite of all his weaknesses. So students, this is a character sketch of Jagan. He is a very human person. He has his frailties, he has his strong points, as is obvious with all human beings, and he is a very identifiable and a lovable character of the novel. So that is all for today's class. Thanks.